Broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Barry, first as usual. Good morning. Dennis, second as usual. Good morning. Thank you, guys. Guys, good morning and happy Thursday. Today is second to the last day of the month. It is the 29th. There's the 8 o'clock bell. Guys, good morning. We had a good trade yesterday. You folks may notice that on Algo 3.1, or at least let me draw your attention to Algo 3.1, I am trading as of today a PA account. Okay. So yesterday, with that 800 and change, that evaluation cleared in 13 days. It's converted to a PA account. I am running that same, or what was the evaluation, I am now running a PA account on Algo 3.1. Yes, it's a 150 account. All right. So we'll see if we can get it to the payout request, which will inevitably be denied. I have zero faith in Apex. Zero, literally zero. None. I'm also trading my first PA account on Buell Knox. I've put in for 2 more as of yesterday, so that'll be my 3. And as I understand the rules on Buell Knox, I cannot have any more PA accounts until I've requested payouts on these 3. If I am incorrect, somebody correct me, because I have another account that's at 2,400 and change. I need another 600 to clear. In any event, pretty active day yesterday. NVIDIA reported, as you all know, last evening, currently down about $4. We'll see what happens with that. Markets are up. NASDAQ is up 41 today. ES is up, call it 13. YM up 262, up 0.6, which is leading. And the Russell is up almost 9, up 0.4. Today being Thursday, we have continuing and initial jobless claims. 8:30, we have annualized GDP. Some non-4-star news throughout. We'll have natural gas inventories at 10:30. 3:30, Bostic speaks, so there's no scheduled speakers that I'm aware of. Yeah, Greg is without question. Good morning, Connor. Greg is without question the best trader I know. I've said that before. Tomorrow's the big day. Good morning, Pascal. Tomorrow's the big day. We have core PCE. Just quickly taking a look at order flow. Volume is very heavy. Good morning, Anthony. Volume is very heavy. 111,000 contracts have traded. We do currently have 1,300 net buyers. So today could develop into a trend day, one direction or the other. Currently, if I'm looking at the NASDAQ, I would say it's a trend day long. We may get some jocking around, but I'll show you a chart and I'll show you what I'm looking at. Let me first read the disclaimer. We'll take a look at some charts. And we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys, we're off on Thursday. We're into that big zone of low volume. Small buyers, small sellers. I don't really have a short unless we come down below 44. If anybody took the trade, you got big first target at 55, now 66, 70, and then 76. 70 and 76. There's 70. 76 would be next.
Report saying Iraq did cancel a spot cargo of 1 million barrels in August to reduce exports, according to the source.
There's not quite, there's 76. If we get above that, we're going to 93. 93. Nice job, Chuck. You're welcome. Anybody else take that long, guys? It's big long. ES is long. Your target is 38. ES is long to 38.
Order filled.
ES is long to 38.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Nice job, Connor. I don't know why you would trade NQ and MNQ at the same time. Because if you're wrong on both. Just out of curiosity, what's the reasoning behind trading both? Yeah, but if you're right, you're right. Okay. Let's go with that. Well, then trade all MNQ instead of trading 3 or 4 MNQ and say 1 NQ. You could trade 14 NQ and scale out. YM got blitzkrieged. How did I miss that? You don't need my help, man. You've been trading.
Order submitted.
You've been trading for 2 months. You don't need my help. ES long on the algo.
Order canceled.
Nice job, Peter. Yesterday's high was 691. I suspect we're going to get there. Short on algo 2. Come on, baby, push. 70 should get 77, which it did. That's support. 77 is support. It hit it. All right, Greg. Stopped right at support at that 77. You guys can trade this how you see fit. We needed 3 more handles. 77 is what I had as support. 76, 77. If that breaks below 76, it's going to get dusted. Greg, it cut out. Looking short below what? 86 quarter. Got it. Oh, you're in. Okay. Come on, rat bag. Come on. One more push. It's just holding this. If this hits 70, it's going to, there's a long way to go down. I think we come back to that 77. Just don't want to see it pop back up to 34. Greg is short 86 quarter. He doesn't have a mic today, fellas. This fucker's going to go right back to 34 and take this stop out by a handle. Come on. God, I hate trend days. Got another sell signal. We got one here too, guys, on 3-1. 3-1 will fire a trade if it breaks 78.75. Back to entry on the algo. Come on down. Who's biting their fingernails? Here comes another trade on 3, or here comes a trade on 3-1. If it takes that pivot, you're going to get a sell. Lower high, higher low. They're selling them.
37 and 39 billion cubic feet, a little below the 5-year average of the week, plus 43.
It's just hanging. Guys, if this comes below 76, that's like killed. So this lost the short here. That will not take a short now. And this looks like it's going to go to a loss. If it takes out that pivot, I'm not going to dig this at all. If it double tops at that pivot, I think this gets target. Buyers here, but they're small. It's going to 34. This is going to take it out. No momentum on the upside anymore. Come on. Break back down below 94. Back to entry. I don't know what's at 94. I have no idea what's at 94. What won't break here at 94? I have no support at 94. No, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is on the hourly. That's what's holding it. Damn hourly pivot. Thank you, Anthony. All right, she broke. Now she should come. Now we've got to break 85.
Order canceled.
All right,
Order canceled.
both targets hit. There we go. God, that was torture. That was torture. I got the short that time, guys. I've been short 10 from 93.25. I'm short 10 in a non-Apex account.
Order filled.
I'm out of my short.
Order canceled.
Auto trail.
Order filled.
There we go. Auto trail. I'll go 3.2 long again. Trading up into a bunch of resistance, but I think it can get those targets eventually. All right, we're breaking down. Nobody is short YM, so. I'm going to close that YM trade, I think, here. Come on, get below 20.
Order filled.
I closed YM. I made a few bucks on it. Double topped here at 69.5. There it goes. Guys, if this gets target, this will be the last trade for me on 3.2. mean, we're asking this thing to go. I can see us getting to 79.5. This can get there. First target anyways.
Order submitted.
ES is now long on the algo. If this gets one more push through that 76 area, it's going to get target. One more push, it'll get that first target. Have buyers.
Order canceled.
Told you. There it is. Auto trails on. This puppy's done for the day.
Order canceled.
Out. $2,000 day on 3.2 on an Apex account. Yeah, I agree. I'm with you. I have no illusions about them paying me or anybody. Greg. Three trades, three winners, 2170. You guys, similar results? Oh, they're going to end up in a class action lawsuit at some point. All right, guys, we're done for the day. The only algo that took trades in the NASDAQ was algo 3.2. And it took three trades, three winners, up 2170. I've already updated algo 3.2. I'll show you guys where we're at. This is 3.2. Interesting for August. It's only running at a 68% win rate, but it's up 74.40 for the month. No trades as of yet on 3.1 and 3.3. I will run them certainly until noon. And if I don't get trades on 3.1 or 3.3 before noon, I will run them until I do today. So do as you see fit, but I will run them until I get a trade. Okay?